and I don't know if there's anybody more versed on the City of Kenner's charter than Mr. Mike Power. And I'd asked Mr. Power to come up in case any council members have any questions for him. But Mike has sat alongside many mayors at this table as a representative from Exarting Maxwell and Power, who was the city's attorney prior to 2006, when we brought the city attorney's office in-house. And saw on Facebook, former Deputy Chief Administrative Officer Carol Loomis said, an outstanding choice, and I'm sure the council will all ratify Mr. Mike Power, and Carol worked with Mike her entire career. And many of us all know him. Everybody in the city attorney's office knows him, worked for him in some way, shape, or form, including some of the staff itself, the non-attorneys, worked for him privately at the firm. For those of y'all that don't know, Judge Weinstein was like Lewis. They were both attorneys and engineers. And Bond did some pretty good things in his lifetime, and two of which was hiring Mike and hiring Lewis, in my opinion. And I'm glad my grandfather had a good city attorney and a good parish attorney, and I'm glad that two of them started with the Yenny and have finished their careers with the Yenny, and I'm hoping Mike stays with us for a while, because he brings a wealth of knowledge back to the city of Kenner, where he spent pretty much most of his 40 years. And I ask for y'all's ratification and support of him. And believe me, I think Lewis would be very happy that Mike will be filling his shoes in the city attorney's office.